So we are asked to simplify. We have two rational expressions being subtracted. In order to subtract, you will need common denominators. So you want to go ahead and factor all of your denominators. So this first one here, p squared minus 6p minus 27, you need two numbers that will multiply to negative 27, but add to negative 6. And so your numbers are going to be p minus 9 and then p plus 3. Now these denominators have p plus 3 in common. So I need to multiply this second rational expression by p minus 9 on top and bottom. So we will get p squared plus 2p minus 51 divided by p minus 9 times p plus 3 minus, and I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 4. So I get 4p minus 36 over p plus 3 times p minus 9. Now, the biggest issue I saw in the CIA was that students did not distribute the negative whenever you subtract. So whenever you make this one big fraction here, p squared plus 2p minus 51, you have to distribute that negative, minus 4p plus 36 divided by p minus 9 times p plus 3. Then you can start to simplify. So we get p squared minus 2p minus 15. You want to factor again just to make sure it can't simplify anymore. So two numbers that will multiply to negative 15 but add to a negative 2 would be p minus 5 and p plus 3 divided by p minus 9 times p plus 3. These will cancel, and your final answer is p minus 5 divided by p minus 9.